Proverbs chapter 3 verses 1 to 35 and chapter 4 verses 1 to 27. 1. My son, don't forget my teaching, but let your heart keep my commandments. 2. For they will add to you length of days, years of life and peace. 3. Don't let kindness and truth forsake you. Bind them around your neck, write them on the tablet of your heart. For so you will find favor and good understanding in the sight of God and man. 5. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and don't lean on your own understanding. 6. In all your ways acknowledge him, and he will make your paths straight. 7. Don't be wise in your own eyes. Fear the Lord and depart from evil. 8. It will be health to your body and nourishment to your bones. 9. Honor the Lord with your substance, with the first fruits of all your increase. 10. So your barns will be filled with plenty, and your vats will overflow with new wine. 11. My son, don't despise the Lord's discipline, neither be weary of his correction. 12. For whom the Lord loves, he corrects, even as a father reproves the son in whom he delights. 13. Happy is the man who finds wisdom, the man who gets understanding. 14. For her good profit is better than getting silver, and her return is better than fine gold. 15. She is more precious than rubies. None of the things you can desire are to be compared to her. 16. Length of days is in her right hand. In her left hand are riches and honor. 17. Her ways are ways of pleasantness. All her paths are peace. 18. She is a tree of life to those who lay hold of her. Happy is everyone who retains her. 19. By wisdom the Lord founded the earth. By understanding he established the heavens. 20. By his knowledge the depths were broken up, and the skies dropped down the dew. 21. My son, let them not depart from your eyes. Keep sound wisdom and discretion. 22. So they will be life to your soul and grace for your neck. 23. Then you shall walk in your way securely. Your foot won't stumble. 24. When you lie down, you will not be afraid. Yes, you will lie down, and your sleep will be sweet. 25. Don't be afraid of sudden fear, neither of the desolation of the wicked when it comes. 26. For the Lord will be your confidence, and will keep your foot from being taken. 27. Don't withhold good from those to whom it is due, when it is in the power of your hand to do it. 28. Don't say to your neighbor, go and come again. Tomorrow I will give it to you when you have it by you. 29. Don't devise evil against your neighbor, since he dwells securely by you. 30. Don't strive with a man without cause, if he has done you no harm. 31. Don't envy the man of violence. Choose none of his ways. 32. For the perverse is an abomination to the Lord, but his friendship is with the upright. 33. The Lord's curse is in the house of the wicked, but he blesses the habitation of the righteous. 34. Surely he mocks the mockers, but he gives grace to the humble. 35. The wise will inherit glory, but shame will be the promotion of fools. The Proverbs chapter 4 verses 1 to 27. 1. Listen, sons, to a father's instruction. Pay attention and know understanding. 2. For I give you sound learning. Don't forsake my law. 3. For I was a son to my father, tender and an only child in the sight of my mother. For he taught me and said to me, let your heart retain my words. Keep my commandments and live. 5. Get wisdom, get understanding. Don't forget and don't deviate from the words of my mouth. 6. Don't forsake her, and she will preserve you. Love her, and she will keep you. 7. Wisdom is supreme. Get wisdom. Yes, though it costs all your possessions, get understanding. 8. Esteem her, and she will exalt you. She will bring you to honor when you embrace her. 9. She will give to your head a garland of grace. She will deliver a crown of splendor to you. 10. Listen, my son, and receive my sayings. The years of your life will be many. 11. I have taught you in the way of wisdom. I have led you in straight paths. 12. When you go, your steps will not be hampered. When you run, you will not stumble. 13. Take firm hold of instruction. Don't let her go. Keep her, for she is your life. 14. Don't enter into the path of the wicked. Don't walk in the way of evil men. 15. Avoid it and don't pass by it. Turn from it and pass on. 16. For they don't sleep unless they do evil. Their sleep is taken away unless they make someone fall. 17. For they eat the bread of wickedness and drink the wine of violence. 18. But the path of the righteous is like the dawning light that shines more and more until the perfect day. 19. The way of the wicked is like darkness. They don't know what they stumble over. 20. My son, attend to my words. Turn your ear to my sayings. 21. Let them not depart from your eyes. Keep them in the center of your heart. 22. For they are life to those who find them, and health to their whole body. 23. Keep your heart with all diligence, for out of it is the wellspring of life. 24. Put away from yourself a perverse mouth. Put corrupt lips far from you. 25. Let your eyes look straight ahead. Fix your gaze directly before you. 26. Make the path of your feet level. Let all of your ways be established. 27. Don't turn to the right hand nor to the left. Remove your foot from evil. The Proverbs chapter 3 verses 1 to 35 and chapter 4 verses 1 to 27. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up and coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.